Hello, welcome to how to solve this exponential equation. 8 to the power x minus 2 to the power x is equal to square root of 2. This 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 to the whole power this power x minus 2 to the power x is equal to square root of 2. Next, according to the rule of exponents, a to the power m to the whole power n is equal to a to the power n to the whole power m. According to this rule, we can write this power x inside the brackets and this power 3 outside the brackets. Like this, 2 to the power x to the whole power this power 3 minus 2 to the power x is equal to square root of 2. Next we have 2 to the power x here and 2 to the power x here. So we suppose that let 2 to the power x is equal to y. Then this equation becomes y cube minus y is equal to square root of 2. Next we take square of both sides. At left side square and at right side square. Whole square of this y cube minus y will be taken according to this formula: a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here y cube is as a and y is as b. So according to this formula we write here y cube square minus 2 times y cube times y plus y square is equal to, this square will be cancelled this square root and here left 2. Next, according to the rule of exponents, a to the power m to the whole power n is equal to a to the power m times n. We multiply this power 3 with this power 2. Like this, y to the power 3 times 2, 6 minus 2 times y cube, 2y cube and 2y cube times y, 2y to the power 4 plus y square, and this plus 2 becomes negative 2 at left side is equal to 0. Next, from this y to the power 6 and minus 2y to the power 4, we can take y to the power 4 as common. Y to the power 4 as common, and in bracket left, when we divide this y to the power 6 by this y to the power 4, we get y square, and this minus comes here. And when we divide this 2y to the power 4 by this y to the power 4, we get here 2. And from this y square minus 2, we can take plus 1 as common. Plus 1 as common, and in bracket left this y square and this minus 2. Y square minus 2 is equal to 0. Next, now we can take y square minus 2 as common. Y square minus 2 as common, and in bracket left this y to the power 4 and this plus 1. Y to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now either y square minus 2 is equal to 0 or y to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. From here y square is equal to, this negative 2 becomes positive 2 at right side. Now recall that we have supposed 2 to the power x is equal to y. We have supposed 2 to the power x is equal to y. Now in this equation y square is equal to 2, we put this value of y 2 to the power x. Value of y 2 to the power x to the whole power this power 2 is equal to this 2. Next, according to the rule of exponents, a to the power m to the whole power n is equal to a to the power m times n. This power x will be multiplied by this power 2. Like this, 2 to the power x times 2, 2x is equal to 2. And this 2 has power 1 here. Now base is same at both sides. So this 2 will be cancelled with this 2, and here left 2x is equal to 1, and x is equal to 1 over 2. This is the value of x. Now if we solve this one, y to the power 4 is equal to negative 1. Now you can see that this y to the power 4 is positive and this is negative. So no real solution is possible here. We reject this one. And this is the only solution, x is equal to 1 over 2. Now to verify that this value of x is correct or not, we put this value in the original equation. The original equation is 8 to the power x minus 2 to the power x is equal to square root of 2. In this equation we put the value of x 1 over 2. 8 to the power 1 over 2 minus 2 to the power 1 over 2 is equal to square root of 2. This 8 to the power 1 over 2 is same as square root of 8 minus, and this 2 to the power 1 over 2 is same as square root of 2 is equal to square root of 2. Next, this square root of 8 can be written as square root of 4 times 2 minus square root of 2 is equal to square root of 2. Next, square root of 4 is 2 and this 2 remains under square root. Square root of 2 minus square root of 2 is equal to square root of 2. From here if we take square root of 2 as common, square root of 2 as common, and in bracket left, from here 2, this minus comes here, and from here 1 is equal to square root of 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 times square root of 2 is equal to square root of 2. From here you can see that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So it is proved that the value of x 1 over 2 is correct.